Hello, today we will guide you through how to aid an indicator on FXCM. To begin, open the FXCM trading platform and make sure you're viewing the main trading screen with your watch list and chart area visible. We'll start by loading a chart so the indicator has somewhere to display. In your watch list or markets panel, click a symbol to open its chart. If you're following along with the example on screen, select the sample symbol shown, such as FXCM. The chart will update to that instrument, and you should see price action along with the usual toolbar around the chart. With the chart in focus, look to the top right corner of the chart area for the indicator's control. Depending on your layout, it may be labeled Indicators or appear as a small beaker or FX icon. Click this to open the indicator library. This panel contains a searchable list of technical tools you can apply to your chart. Use the search bar at the top of the library to quickly find what you need. Begin typing the name of the indicator you want to add. For this walkthrough, enter a sample indicator name to filter the results. You'll notice the list narrows as you type, making it easy to locate the exact tool you're after. From the filtered list, click the indicator you want to add. As soon as you select it, the platform applies it to your chart. Some indicators, like moving averages, will overlay directly on price, while others, such as RSI or MACD, appear in a separate panel beneath the chart. This behavior is normal and depends on the type of indicator. After it's added, you may see a settings window where you can confirm or adjust inputs like length, smoothing, or calculation method, as well as colors and line styles. If a settings window doesn't open automatically, look for the small gear or settings icon next to the indicator's name on the chart to make any tweaks. Adjusting these parameters can help the indicator align with your time frame and trading approach. Take a moment to review the chart. If things feel crowded, consider resizing the indicator panel by dragging its border, or switch time frames to see how the indicator responds to different levels of detail. If you selected the wrong item by mistake, simply reopen the indicators panel, search again, and choose the correct one. That's all there is to it. Select your symbol, open the indicators panel, type in the indicator's name, and click to apply. Your indicator is now active and ready to support your analysis. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause or replay as you follow along.